Hi, my name is Bert, and I will support you with all questions and needs related to the Schubert packaging machines. It seems like someone needs my help. Hello, ma'am. As a production manager, you should have full control of your production line. With the Schubert Customer-Portal, you have a perfect overview over your machine performance. Here you will find an overview of all your reject reasons, like products not being picked up, defective products, and more. Also, all your losses are shown in a waterfall diagram subdivided from the possible quantity through all losses until the actual output. It seems the output of your packaging machine line dropped to 50%. You should call your maintenance department immediately and ask what is going on. I'll stop by in the production hall. Maybe they need my help. Can I help you? Let's have a look on the HMI to locate the failure. There you go. Looks like there might be an error at the pick and place robot. No, the part is broken. We need to replace it. With the 3D viewer, you can easily identify the needed part and add it to the shopping cart. Pretty simple, right? Now I will take care of how to order the necessary part from Schubert. See you later. Your maintenance team requires a new spare part, otherwise they won't fulfill today's target.
There it is, I see. Perfect, we're lucky. The part is available at Schubert, but we can also print it in-house with a new Schubert part box. In this case, we just need to get a license. So click and print.
Let's check out how it's made. While the part box is printing the pinion, we can have a look in the customer portal and check how to reinstall it. Through our asset management in the Schubert Customer Portal, you have access to step-by-step instructions, including maintenance and machine documentations. How's it going? Does it work?
Thanks to the step-by-step instructions, the repair is super easy.
Great! I will report the successful repair to your production manager. She will be happy, for sure. Here you go. The production line is back to normal thanks to the Schubert Customer Portal. All necessary information is stored and displayed in one place, which makes everything transparent and easy to handle.